Everlasting Father, King of glory, patient of days, I am that I am. Blessed be your name, Lord. Blessed be your name, King of kings. Father, Lord, as we step into the market tonight, help us, O Lord, to be able to see the right opportunity. Help us, O Lord, to be disciplined. Help us, O Lord, to follow our plan. For in Jesus' mighty name, pray. Amen. All right. What have we got today in NYSC? Gotta put the music on first. Yep, perfect. So before I came on the live stream earlier, I was looking at the market. That's pre-NY. First, let's start from daily. We can see that overall today will be massively bullish. About 300 and over 300 pips. What we're seeing at the moment now is very interesting. We are seeing a rejection of this resistance on daily, which is about over 200 pips of rejection. That's massive. On 4 hours, what do we got? We can notice that we've been bullish literally all day today, and this is the first bearish candle that we are seeing that is forming at the moment. And this also candle is also creating some sort of resistance here. And if we look closely, we can see that this current bearish candle had already broken the low of the previous 4-hour candle. That's very interesting. That simply means that we have a lot of sellers that are trying to push the market. Two things could be happening. Either people are taking profit, or we just have more sellers in the market. They're trying to push the price back down to this zone that we've struggled to go past previously. And on 1 hour, we saw that the last 1 hour closed bearish to create a resistance. The last 1 hour before that one that created resistance had closed bullish, but with a smaller body compared to other candles since the breakout here. And this candle had broken the low of the previous candle, simplifying volume to the downside. And this would have been a very, very good trade from somewhere around here to have been able to take a counter trend. But unfortunately, I was not in the market at the time, so I could not have looked at the market to be able to take a counter trend around this time. But however, let's draw down to see what we've got on 30 minutes. On 30 minutes has the same structure as 1 hour as well. We saw this breakout from here, and now we're already breaking out of this next support around here. So price has been massively bullish. If we measure this that we've seen so far, we've seen about 216 pips. That's massive. So I marked up this area because this area initially was a resistance area. The price rejected. We got to this zone, which is about 30, 36. Price rejected. See a support form, rally up, struggle to break that zone again before we eventually pulled up. So currently now price is back around that zone. That's why I've marked up this area. I'm going to see how price evolve around here. And if we look overall, since when the trend began around Sydney session. That was why I put this trend line here for us to see how we've been doing today in terms of price action. So here is the game plan. We could have entered a counter trend somewhere around here to be able to ride it down to this next zone. 15 minutes gave us a very clear market structure to be able to execute that. We saw price range, and this candle was our confirmation candle. As soon as this candle had closed bearish outside of this support area, so we would have seen that this candle broke and closed below support, and the next trade would have been as this candle made a top wick and we're breaking the next low of the candle. So this would have been our trade. So we would have been probably would have been able to catch, let's say around 50, 60 pips. But yeah, it is what it is. No formal straight into our rules. So what do we want to see here? Beautiful opportunity. Now, when market is trending, market structure would always see that market would make continuous higher highs and higher lows. For instance, this high, the next high we made after this current high is this one. So this high, this particular high is higher than this one, and we saw a low here. The current low we had, this is a higher low. This current low here is higher than the previous low, and we're already trading around this. And so for us to see that market structure is forming a bullish structure, what we want to see is that we want to see another candle print a bullish candle here to create support. And once that candle creates a support around here, what we then look for is a possible continuation of the upside. If we now see the next candle after that candle that creates support to be breaking the previous candle, then we can consider a buy. But if we see how volume push around this NYSE session, and we see another candle close below this support, we will see a potential continuation of this downtrend to somewhere around here, somewhere around this next on 1 hour. So that would be about 76 pips. That should be quite decent. Bear in mind that 1 hour is about to close now, so we'll see how market structure evolves. Right now we're doing nothing, we're just waiting to see how candle prints. All right, so 30 minutes that's closed, and this is something very interesting. So 30-minute close with a bearish formation candle. You can see that we have a very big bottom week. What does this signify? It's 64 pips rejection. So which means candle is rejecting the low. So there's a rejection around this area. The buyers have stepped in to possibly continue to push the price up. But this current candle is printing without a bottom wick, so I'm not going to be executing on this candle. Yeah, 15 minutes, we can see a very nice support created on 15 minutes already. This current candle is already printing above the previous 15 minutes without bottom wick. So we'll just see how this candle evolve and then see how we go from here. So if this current candle is breaking the high of this last 30-minute candle that closed this way, I may be considering to put in a small position here. And then if we further continue, I would add more positions. Then stop would be somewhere here. And then we can target this. So I've just entered a buy position here with half position. I have put in half position because this current candle does not have a bottom wick. So there's a 50-50 possibility that this candle could retrace back. So that's why I put in half of my position. If we see any retracement to make a bottom wick, then I will add in more position from here. Yeah, not too bad. So I have put my stop loss almost in between this week. Reason because if I put my stop loss way below here, the pips would have been too much. And if we are going to continue upward, there is no reason why this candle should come back this much to half of this liquidity candle. So my trade is in profit, just running nice in profit. But as I said, I have just entered with half of my positions because there is no bottom wick on this candle. Yeah, it is what it is. I have entered a full position. If I had seen a bottom wick candle, if I had seen a bottom wick on this candle, would have given me full confidence to enter my full position. But yeah, it is what it is. We follow our plan, we follow our rule, and we still discipline. So we're just going to stay patient and just keep up, see how the trade evolves, see how we go from here. I wouldn't want to see the retracement come back to this zone. From here, I'm starting to liquidate my positions. So we've set some very nice profit. And at this point, what I want to do is to take out some profit from the trade. So I'm just going to close about 50% trade. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait and see how this 50 minutes candle close. Now I want to close about 50% of my position. Done. I've just closed 50% of my position. Partial was taken around here. And I'm now going to also move my stop. I'm gonna move my stop to break even. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm break even. Trade is running risk free now. I'm gonna be taking a little bit more profit from this trade now as soon as I see how this current 30-minute candle start to print. I'm just taking more profit from this trade now. Yeah, so far so good. We're running smoothly. Remember, guys, I am already break even. Yeah, trade is pretty free. Just right on track. See how far we can. Yeah. Taking profit at the moment now. I'm also break even. I have very, very little position running. And whatever happens now, I'm gonna end the day on a very, very good note. On a very, very great day. So actually, we've seen about 81 pips in profit move already. My God, that is beautiful. We've seen over 80 pips move today. That was just an excellent entry point. Very far. And how we were able to manage the positions. Yeah, we can call it a day from here and come back tomorrow and see how the market is going. That was a very good session. I'm just gonna call it a day right here. And on a maze run, I'm gonna close up my positions and then we come back again tomorrow. What I'm just doing now is just to document the trade. All right, guys. Thank you so much. It's been a great pleasure. It's been a great honor. And see you guys. Ciao, ciao, ciao.